In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Nordvpn account, a handy feature that lets you protect multiple devices using just one subscription. Sharing your Nordvpn account is a great way to enhance your internet security across all your gadgets, from your PC to your phone and even your tablet. To get started, open your Nordvpn app on your computer. You'll need to access the settings here to manage your sharing options. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand panel and click the gear icon at the bottom. This will open the settings menu, your control center for customizing NordVPN. Now, in the settings menu, click on Profile. This section holds your account details along with the key options for sharing and device management. Here, find the option that says Get NordVPN for all your devices. This is where you can extend VPN protection beyond your main device. Clicking on it opens a drop-down menu showing several ways to share NordVPN. One of the easiest is using the QR code. Just scan it with your phone's camera to quickly download the Nordvpn app. Another option is to send a download link via email. Simply enter the email addresses for the devices you want to protect, and NordVPN will send them instant download links. Make sure to choose the right version for your device. For example, NordVPN for Android if you're using an Android phone, or NordVPN for iOS for Apple devices. You can also install the Nordvpn browser extension for extra protection while browsing online. It's an easy way to stay secure without opening the app every time. Finally, remember that you'll need to log in on each device using your Nordvpn account. This ensures that every device stays secure and connected. With NordVPN, you can protect up to 10 devices simultaneously, keeping your online activity private and your data safe, whether you're at home or on the go. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share your Nordvpn account in just a few simple steps. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and privacy tips.